Hello everyone, I'm Jason Wild, the producer for LANFest, and today we're going to talk about how to get donation alerts working for Donor Drive. So if the first thing you'll have to do is set up a Donor Drive account, get signed up to stream for an event. So I have a video on that. That'll be in the cards, and it'll also be linked in the description. So go ahead and check that out and go through that process real quick, and then come on back here if you haven't done so already. So the only way to get Donor Drive alerts for those is through StreamLabs. So we're going to go to StreamLabs.com, and then we're going to hit login. And you can continue with whatever platform you're streaming on. I'm streaming on Twitch, so I'll sign in with my Twitch account. That'll take me right in here to my dashboard. And the first thing I'm going to do is go down to my account and go to settings. And then we'll go over to integrations. So you can scroll all the way down and you'll see charity streaming, Donor Drive. So I've already set this up and it won't let me unset it up to show you exactly how it looks. But if I click manage, there's only a couple options. You can enable it or disable it. You can pick your charity, and my charity is LANFest. There's a whole bunch of charities in here. Just type in LANFest and it'll pop up. And then it wants your participant ID. So it says here, connect your fundraising account by entering your participant ID. To find your ID, visit lanfest.donordrive.com and find your fundraising page. Your participant ID will be in the URL. Look for and participant ID equals 0000. So here's my fundraising page that I set up in the last video. Go check it out if you haven't. And at the top here, you can see that my participant ID is 1144. So that's what I put in here, 1144, save settings, perfect. If you have an incorrect one or one that doesn't exist, it will throw an error, so you'll know if you set it up wrong. So once we're done with that, we can go up here to Essentials and go to Alert Box. And of course, there's a whole bunch of different styles. You can style this any way you want. And what we will want to look at here is we have general settings, follow, subscriptions, donations, all this stuff. We want to look at charity streaming donations. So you click on charity streaming donations and you can set it all up how you want. And I already have this put into my OBS. The way you do that is, I'll show this widget URL. You copy this URL and then you will add a browser source in OBS and then paste the link in and make it the size you want and hit OK. And then everything should be perfect. So what I will do here is I can do like a test follow, and look at that, it pops up on screen. And that's my little pixel guy that I made a long time ago. Anyway, so we want to test charity streaming donation. So it says John donated $32 to charity streaming. So the web app is working. It's in my OBS. Everything's great. But I am a little concerned that it says to charity streaming. So I'm going to do an actual donation here. I'm going to do this real quick. Let me just type in my info and do a $5 donation. And if all is working properly, this should be live, and I should see a donation alert come up on the screen. There it is. Jason Wild donated $5 to LANFest. Perfect. Great job, Jason. Doing some good work here, getting everything done. So that is it. That's all you have to do. All you need to do is set up your Donor Drive, and once that's set up, just grab your participant ID, pop it into your integrations in the settings for Donor Drive, and then on your charity streaming donations area of your alert box, just set it up with the image and the sound that you want and all of that good fun stuff. Make it look the way you want it. I know that you can launch themes in here, so one of the things I am looking into is building a notification theme and an overlay pack and launching it in StreamLabs, so you could even just download it in here and have it all done for you if you want it to match the event. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly. Send me a DM, send me an email. My email is jason.wild@lfest.org, and my Discord handle is ThePlaidGinger 1135. All right, thank you very much. Happy streaming, and hopefully we'll see you on Twitch.